Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I just want to give a quick tour of my uh, garden tour. If you are watching first time, my name is Joseph. We live in North Carolina, Zone 7B. So I want to give a quick tour of my July garden tour. I see a lot of new blooms in the month of July. I'll give a quick walk tour and I'll show. Uh, Let me just show it to you how it looks. So a lot of new blooms in the July month, and some of the plants already done the blooming. So I'll go through, give a quick tour how the plants are doing. I have a butterfly bush and hydrangea. You could see a lot of blooms in hydrangea now. And the butterfly bush, could see lot of blooms, and its new ones are coming, and some blooms already done. And this one is the Mexican petunia, and you get a lot of blooms in the coming months, coming weeks. That looks beautiful. And see this purple heart, it's really going well and it's spreading. It looks beautiful, the combination of hydrangea blooms and the purple heart. And coming to here, so you could see more blooms now in the autumn jay. These beautiful blooms, it turns into light pink in the next month, probably in the month of August time, and it turns into really dark rose color. That looks beautiful. It's really pretty during the fall time. I'll share the fall time pictures. And if you look at here, these are all my sunshine ligustrum. It's really flourishing because of it likes the sun. And if you observe that, I trimmed that the last two shrubs because it was growing too high, and you could see it looks beautiful with different contrast colors. And you could see this butterfly bush really flourishing with really pretty lavender color blooms. Yeah, I like the way how it looks, the contrast colors in the background and the blooms, and the daylily also new blooms, a lot of new blooms. And this one I should mention, in the month just 3-4 weeks ago, these plants are called celosia. It's a very tiny small plants, like less than a feet height. Now in just 3 weeks, you could see how it's grown and see the blooms. I love it, with that light lime color background and this bright dark pink celosia blooms, and it looks really cool and pretty. And this one is annuals, and it's a bubblegum double vista, and it's blooming continuously. From I planted this in the month of April, so it's almost like 4th month, still blooms really well. I love it. The way it looks, it's ground covered and like a perfect bordering plants. And this is a sedum family one. This plant also turns a pink, and you see that speedwell blooms now. It's a big change in the last 3 weeks. You could see the lot of new blooms in the speedwell. This one. And that's a Thai plant. It's grown up a little bit. And the lambs here, I think I need to deadhead that black-eyed Susan, so I may get the new blooms. And look at here how it looks. Plant, I really love it. See, this is a tricolor vining plant. I love the colors. See, it looks beautiful. It looks a pretty, combination of colors. And I trimmed these shrubs so that it looks same height, and looks pretty also. You could see now the blazing star. It's started blooming. In 3 weeks ago it was just the birds. Now it started blooming. You see the contrast color. It looks beautiful. And these all the stems will be pink in probably in next to coming days. Let me show you how the porch area planters are doing. You could see that beautiful Perennials blooms. Now it's more dense. Yeah, it looks beautiful and it's pretty. And you could see the other planters, the plants are grown up now. Even the black magic, Colocasia illustris, all plants are it's June and July is definitely it's a growth time for all the perennials and annuals. So it looks beautiful. Here the other side I have this elephant ears plant, and you could see my red-head poker actually had a good blooms 2-3 weeks ago. Now it's only see few. And I have planted a couple of dahlias behind these shrubs next to elephant ears. Those are really grown up now. I'm expecting the blooms probably in the next 1 or 2 weeks. I believe it's going to be beautiful. Yeah, you could see now the allium, definitely have a full dense of blooms, and the lavender color blooms. It's really beautiful. And it's again, this one is a Dipladenia, and that's a Cardiline Thai plant. This all really giving very attractive and bright colors to my garden. And I have the tree here and a bunch of nice beautiful contrast colors I planted here. Let me walk through here. I will explain the plant details. Tree ring, could see that that's artemisia in the background, and this one is a purple heart. I love the this. I it's like a very beautiful bordering plant, purple heart. And this one, the primrose, Mexican primrose. I think it's done blooming. And here is again the autumn joy, and you could see how this the beautiful blooms, and it looks pretty. And it's continue the bloom to the fall, and you could see this the pentas here, this color. I have a red and pink, and that the ascot rainbow. And this Mexican petunia I was not expecting. I need to pull out that because it's a very invasive plant. I don't want here to occupy more space. And this one is annual, and you could see how beautiful this contrast color here. This is a potato vine, and that's artemisia, and both are really very opposite colors, and it looks beautiful with that contrast colors. And let me go back and you could see how it's grown now. It looks very pretty. You could see how the autumn joy. This is like variegated sedum family autumn joy stone crop. But this is what I was talking about. It turns into light pink, then it goes slowly into dark color in the fall time. It's a very pretty. I had a ginea plants in the back. I moved to a different area, so it looks good. I hope you enjoyed my garden tour. If you feel it's enjoyable and really looks nice, please give a thumbs up to my video, and you can just post your comments for any suggestions, what plants you like and all. And if you are not subscribed yet to my channel House Talks, and if you are interested to know more home and garden videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a great day.